Hello there. In today's video, I will be showing you how you can customize your talkback menu. So, customizing talkback menu basically means that there's this talkback menu that when you turn on talkback, you can make an L gesture on the screen, and there are options appearing in that menu when you make that L gesture. So which options should appear there when you open that L gesture on your screen? Okay, when you make that L gesture on your screen, so how you can customize that? So today I will be showing you that only. So you can customize the menu according to your needs. So now we will quickly start with the customization. So first you have to open talkback settings, that is through you can use your local context menu gesture by making an L gesture on the screen, or you can go to your settings, then accessibility, then talkback, and then talkback settings. Okay, so let's go to talkback settings first.
Talkback menu. Voice commands. Talkback settings. Showing items 4 to 15 of 15. Talkback settings. Navigate up. Button. Out of list. Talkback. New features in Talkback. Open Talkback in the Galaxy Store. Braille keyboard. Tutorial and help. Advanced set. Tutorial and customize menu.
So here you will get an option of customize menus. So I have got it. See.
Customize menus. 9 of 13.
Okay, after customized gestures you will get an option of customized menus. So you have to click over there and you can customize your talkback menu.
Customize menus. Navigate up. Button. Out of list.
Okay,
Customize menus.
customize menus is the heading.
Customize Talkback menu. To use the Talkback menu, tap the screen with 3 fingers.
From
you can
here,
also swipe up then right, or swipe down then right. 1 of 2. In list. 2 items.
from here you can customize how you can open it. See.
Customize Talkback menu. Navigate up. Customize. Actions for current item. Heading. 1 of 28. In list. 28 items. Checked. Checkbox. Actions. Shows. Back.
Okay.
Customize menus. Customize Talkback menu. To use the Talkback menu, tap the screen with 3 fingers. You can also swipe up then right, or swipe down then right. 1 of 2. In list. 2 items.
From here you can customize your talkback menu. I will be showing you that only. But there is one more option. Let's see that.
Customize reading controls. To use the reading controls, swipe left or right with 3 fingers. You can also swipe up or down with 3 fingers. 2 of 2.
And from here we can customize our reading controls. So first we will see what options are provided in customizing reading controls.
Customize reading controls. Navigate up. Button. Out of list.
Okay.
Customize reading. Reading. Heading. 1 of 19. In list. 19 items.
So here 19 items are there. First is reading.
Checked. Checkbox. Characters. Read 1 character at a time. 2 of 19.
Read 1 character at a time. This is checked. So if you swipe with 3 fingers, see what happens basically is when you swipe with 3 fingers left or right, so you get different options like read like characters, words, paragraphs, spoken language. Okay, that way, and you can read like that also. So if you want to read some spelling, for example cat is written on your screen and you don't know its spelling, so you can swipe with 3 fingers on your screen until you get characters, and then you can swipe up on your screen or down on your screen to read the spelling. If you swipe and you stop on words, so you can read word by word. If you stop on paragraph, you can read paragraph by paragraph. Okay, now see, I will swipe with 3 fingers and see, you will hear it saying that words, characters, like this. Okay, it is going to say
Characters.
see, you heard it, characters. So now I can read by character, that is I can read each and every.
S.
See,
Sierra. Checked. Checked. Checkbox. Characters. Read 1 character at a time. Capital C. Charlie.
okay, you have to swipe down to read. Okay, don't swipe up. If you swipe up, then the last letter will be read first, so you have to swipe down. If you swipe up, your last letter will be read first. If you swipe down, then your first letter will be read first.
Capital C. Charlie.
C. I'll read the spelling of check. Capital C
H.
H
A.
A
R.
R
A. C. T. E. R. S. Capital R. E. A. D. Space. O. N. E. Space. C. H. A. R. A. C. T. E. R. Space. A. T. Space. A. Space. T. I. M. E.
Okay, now when you heard this sound like this, so that means the thing has ended. So you have to stop. And if you don't stop, then it will start again. Okay.
Checked. Checkbox. Characters. Read one character at a time. 2 of 19.
So this is checked. If you uncheck it, so you won't be able to browse by character.
Checked. Checkbox. Words. Read one word at a time. 3 of 19.
So then words is there.
Checked. Checkbox. Lines. Read one line at a time. 4 of 19.
Okay. So like this, things are there. So whichever you like, you can check that, and whichever you don't want, you can uncheck it. You can customize it according to your needs. Okay, so every thing has the same rule, okay, in this. So that is why I won't be showing you the whole thing. So if you want to read by characters, words, lines, paragraphs, so you can keep those things checked. And if you want to exclude anything, then you can uncheck that checkbox, so that will be excluded from your reading controls. Now let's come out of this.
Back. Customize menus. Customize reading controls. To use the reading control.
So we have I have shown you how to customize your reading controls. Now let's go to customize talkback menu.
Customize talkback menu. To use the talkback menu, tap the screen with 3 fingers. You can also swipe up then right, or swipe down then right. 1 of 2.
Okay, over here you can customize your talkback menu. That is what all things should appear when you make that L gesture on your screen and open the talkback menu. What things should appear? So we'll customize a talkback menu.
Customize talkback menu. Navigate up. Button. Out of list.
Okay.
Customize talkback menu. Actions for current item. Heading. 1 of 28. In list. 28 items. Actions for current item. Checked. Checkbox. Actions. Shows when custom actions exist for the current item. 2 of 28.
Okay, this is checked. If you want to exclude this, you can uncheck it. So here also everything is same. Okay, you can customize the menu according to your needs.
Actions for current. Checked. Checkbox. Actions. Shows when custom actions exist for the current item. 2 of 28.
So if this
Showing
is
items 1 to 12 of
checked,
28.
so that means that when you are for example touching on an app. So like for example you are touching on WhatsApp. So if you don't know how to, if you want to remove it from home screen for example, and you don't know how to do it, so you can make that L gesture on the screen and you will get an option of actions. So from there you can just do whatever you want. Okay, so like that only you can customize your entire talkback menu. There are many items. The video is going to become too long if I go to explain each and every of them in detail. So like that is how you can customize your talkback menu
Add
as
screen
well
recorder.
as your
Open drawer. Button.
reading
Record.
controls.
Button.
Okay, you can customize it according to your needs and however you like. You can exclude whichever thing you want and you can include whichever thing you want. So that was it for today's video. Until next time, bye bye.
Showing items 1 to 2 of 2.